Hello, I'm Shinmai. In this video, we would like to learn Japanese counter words together. Whenever talk about the number of objects in Japanese, we must attach a counter suffix to the number. For example, 2 donuts in Japanese. We could say 2個のドーナツ or ドーナツ2個. Counter words are similar in function to the word pieces, such as 2 pieces of paper, or cups, such as 2 cups of coffee. Counter words depend on what kind of object you are counting. So, let's learn the most common counter words today. First, let's categorize items. Quiz number 1. What do you think? What makes the difference between these counter words? Even the same chocolate products are categorized in different counter words. Potato chips go mai. Potatoes itself go ko. And potato fries go hon. What do you think? The answer is the shape. The counter word mai for flat, thin objects. The counter word ko for small, round objects. And hon for long, cylindrical objects. Let's move on. What counter words do we need to use for animals? Quiz number 2. What do you think? What makes the difference between these counter words? The counter word hiki for small animals, insects and fish. The counter word to, it's for large animals. The standard between large or small is based on human size. So if you count baby lions, then lions are smaller than us, so you can count with hiki. Finally, wa for birds. When a consonant of the counter word starts from H, for example, hon or hiki, some numbers need to change the reading from hon to bon or pon. For hiki, changes biki or piki. Here is a chart showing the rule. For number 2, 4, 5, 7, and 9 stays with the original. For number 3, changes with dakuon. For example, hon becomes bon. Hiki becomes biki. For numbers 1, 6, 8, and 10, replace the last letter of the reading to small tsu and change with handakuon. For example, hon becomes pon. Hiki becomes piki. Therefore, when you count potato fries, you can count 1本、2本、3本、4本、5本、6本、7本、8本、9本、10本, and keep the same principle. According to Wikipedia, there are over 500 counter words. It's hard to remember all of them, even native Japanese speakers, and never used them in daily life. So please try to remember these common counter words. In another video, I will show you how to count different objects or matters. So please stay tuned. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel.